Guys, I have my blankie. I have wine. I'm gonna try to finish off this terrible wine that's in an amazing bottle. It's called Dearly Beloved, and it's got a big old skull on it, and I love it. And I figure, hey, I have a code for Rise of the Tomb Raider. It's released tomorrow, so I might as well play it.
20 minutes later.
I knew I shouldn't have started this game before it was actually done. I was like, it says that I can start it. It's downloading pretty fast. Bodied. Well, we just got dunked, everybody. We got dunked on.